Hi guys, I am hiding in a little corner in my house to say hello to all of you, do an update, and there'll be a special announcement at the end of the video. I know some of you are already fast forwarding to the end of the video, and that's okay. For those of you who like to chit chat, a quick update first. I do miss you guys. I know I haven't posted all of December, and I wanted to poke my head in and say hello and let you know why. We have family visiting, and I had to put all of my paint in a box and take down my pouring table to make room for an air mattress in the room, in my art room where I pour. And at the beginning of the month, I was super duper hopeful that I could still make a couple videos here and there to post, but that just hasn't happened. There's not really room anywhere else that my kids can't get to. And with family here, you know, there's more important things. So, but I do miss you guys, and I miss making videos, and I miss pouring. Don't tell anybody, but I almost miss editing. Don't tell anybody. Especially Sherry at Sherry B, Studio Paginata. But part of me does a little bit. So, which makes me worry about my sanity. But anyway, so I wanted to make sure I said Merry Christmas and very Happy New Year to my viewers, and say thank you for commenting and watching and subscribing. I'm behind on comment. Hi. I'm behind on comments, and I do apologize because I know some of you have questions, and I promise this weekend, oh gosh, this weekend's half over, beginning of next week, I will get caught up on those comments. Yeah, because I know some of you have questions, and I love reading them. I love it even when you just say hello. I love knowing who's on the other side of that screen, and knowing I'm not just blabbering to myself, although I do anyway, so that shouldn't bother me. But I love knowing who's on the other side, and even if you just say hello, I'm out here, I find it really fun. So anyway, say hello. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button because we are doing a giveaway. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So the giveaway is going to be not a dog. The giveaway is not a Doberman Pinscher. That would be fun. I would so enter a giveaway if the prize was a puppy or a dog of any age. I'm not giving you away, I promise. We are giving away chocolate, which is just as good as a puppy, right? Almost. No, not quite, but still really, really good. So if you've been watching my channel for very long, you'll know we do a chocolate game, and when I mention the name of a movie or something about a movie or a TV show, you get to treat yourself to a piece of chocolate. So an anonymous viewer is sponsoring this giveaway, and it will be chocolate from a little chocolate shop in my hometown in Findlay, Ohio. Really, really good stuff. So to enter the giveaway, make sure you subscribe and comment on this video with your favorite movie. Favorite movie quote is even better. So everybody will be allowed one entry, and what I'll do is write everybody's name down, put everybody's name into a hat, and pull out a random winner. The giveaway is open until the end of the day on January 3rd, and the winner will... The winner will be announced. I'll have a video up either the January 5th or 6th. I'll also private message, but we'll do a quick follow-up video. Maybe I hope I have some of my technical issues resolved so we can do a podcast. If any of you have been missing the podcasts, that would be fun to announce the winner. So you have to subscribe, like this video, and comment with your favorite movie title and quote if you so choose, and you'll be entered to win some chocolate. Yay, my dog is about to hit the selfie stick and knock over my camera. But it's really good. I just wanted to say hi and update you guys and do this giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great December and New Year. Dog is just looking at me. You're talking and not feeding me, I think is what she's saying. And starting in January, back to plenty of videos. So if you have any ideas for videos, anything specific you'd like to see, let me know. Here comes my 2-year-old. Hi! You guys are just getting faces in your face all over the place. Wouldn't this be a fun 3D video? So, anyway, we'll see you next time, guys. Yeah, say bye. Can you say happy pouring? Can you say happy pouring? Say happy? Happy pouring. boring. See you next time, guys.